Hello everybody, I'm Mike Sokol from RV Electricity, and in this video segment I'm going to show you a really cool trick that I've known about on lithium batteries for a while with smart chargers, and I've done this a couple of times in the wild, but I've never done it on video before. So this is one shot deal, one video. Let me show you what's going on. So I've got these two Renogy smart lithium ion batteries in, and they measured like really low voltage when I started off. And in fact, this first one here measured something like 3.5 volts. You can see that this one back here is still measuring somewhere around 6 volts. And there's nothing wrong with it. I'm pretty sure that what happens when they build these at the factory, they shut off the BMS controller so that there's really very low voltage and with no appreciable current available at the terminals for shipping. And I think that's absolutely fine. However, smart chargers over here won't recognize them and won't start them. So I noticed that this one is really low. I took one of my basic dumb lithium chargers over here, stuck it on these two terminals, and in a couple of seconds, I was up to 13.32, 13.34 volts, which is perfect quiescent current. So the thing's very nearly charged. All good. That was just a few seconds. Now, my back one here, guess what? It is showing right around 6 volts. So if I hook this up to a charger by itself, a smart charger, it's not going, the smart charger won't recognize it. So when I'm going to show you that what I did, I'm going to go ahead and do this for you. You can just jumper this from another car, or if you have a dumb charger, you can do it. I'm going to go ahead. You can see I've got the positive terminals tied here together with a jumper, and actually this is a fusible link. I'm going to go ahead and just jumper from here to here, and this should bring this battery up to full voltage in just a second or so. So everybody hold on to your seats here. Let's go. Now, this is safe to do this because this is just 12 volts, but here we go. Connected there, connected here. It says 13.32 volts. Looky there. I just had to jumper it for just a second, and all of a sudden it came up, the BMS turned on. If I had it hooked to another charger, it would be absolutely fine and would start charging it. Without that though, these smart chargers won't do anything. Isn't that just the coolest trick? You could do this with a couple of regular jumpers from your car over there if you had to. Make sure you observe the polarity on this. It only needs a second or so to initiate and initialize the battery management system inside, and now the battery is turned on. There may be a way to do this from the RJ45 connectors coming in. I haven't studied up on that yet, but I thought you would like to see it because I was so excited when I did that this morning. And I said, I'm going to do this on camera. All right, guys, more later.